How fast does Citrucel work for constipation? Citrucel, methylcellulose, is an over-the-counter (OTC) bulk-producing fiber laxative used to relieve constipation, irregularity, help to restore and maintain regularity, for constipation associated with other bowel disorders like IBS when recommended by a doctor, and generally produces a bowel movement in 12 to 72 hours. Citrucel fiber therapy powder for constipation relief, orange, 32 ounces. Product details. Citrucel with methylcellulose fiber is a clinically proven fiber therapy that gently helps to relieve occasional constipation. With a great tasting, easy to mix orange flavored powder. Our classic sugar-free formula gently helps relieve irregularity. Now you can get the additional fiber you need to help balance your diet without unwanted gas. The most important thing about fiber is that it helps regulate your system and relieves constipation. That's why Citrucel with methylcellulose fiber is recommended by physicians. When it comes to your health, fiber helps with your stool consistency. Citrucel contains 100% soluble fiber powder, which means it will give your stool a softer, bulkier consistency that's easier to pass. And you'll get all the benefits of fiber, but without excess gas. Citrucel with methylcellulose fiber can take anywhere between 12 and 72 hours to take effect, so make sure to use the product at the first sign of constipation or irregularity. Try Citrucel today for the sugar-free effective fiber supplement you've been looking for. When used as directed. Based on laboratory testing. Individual results may vary. Among therapeutic fiber laxatives.